Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make winter version bento box. I've been receiving a lot of requests for bento box, so here it is. And Christmas is just around the corner, so I'm making it a little Christmassy. It may look a little bit complicated, but it's easier than it looks. Let's get started. These are what you need. Nori seaweed, Japanese rice, I have 1 cup today, chicken thigh, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tablespoon mirin, some salt and pepper, 1 egg, black sesame, some carrot, cucumber, lettuce, and some American cheese. I'm cooking the rice first. I'm cooking it just to show you how I do it, but I always have cooked rice in the fridge, so I usually just heat it up and use it. Let's rinse the rice. Add some water. Stir gently. Drain. And just repeat it 3 or 4 times. Put the rice in the pot. It's 1 cup of rice, I'm adding 1 cup of water. Rice and water is always 1 to 1. Put the lid on and soak the rice in this water more than half an hour. This is to give enough time for rice to soak up the water to the core, so the rice is nice and fluffy to the core when it's cooked. In the meantime, let's make egg omelette and chicken teriyaki. 1 egg in the bowl. Beat it. Some salt and pepper to taste. Heat up a little bit of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Put the egg and let's just make small omelette. Take the omelette out on the paper towel. Wrap it. And try to make it into oval shape when you see it from the side. Now, chicken teriyaki. You can do it with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. Today I'm doing it with the skin off. So let's just remove the skin. Trim all the fat. And cut it into bite size. Dust them with some flour. Heat up some vegetable oil in the frying pan. Just saute the chicken. almost cooked through, so let's add the teriyaki sauce. 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. And cook it down a little bit until the sauce is thick. Looks good, so let's turn the heat off, set aside to cool down. Now, I'm making nori in cheese cubes. So let's cut the nori seaweed into 4. Fold it into half. Fold it backwards. And cut. Put them together. Fold it into half. Fold it backwards. And cut. Nori seaweed, American cheese, nori seaweed, American cheese, nori seaweed, American cheese, nori seaweed, American cheese. Cut it into half. Stack them. Just cut them into cube shape. Let's put this ribbon pick to make it look like a Christmas present. Like this. Now I'm making Christmas tree with cucumber and carrot. Using vegetable peeler, make long thin slice of cucumber. Like this. Slice carrot into 5mm thickness, and I'm going to cut it out using this star-shaped cookie cutter. Like this. Prepare a toothpick and small piece of carrot as a stopper and put it through. Then this cucumber. Put it through and fold it back and forth as you skewer. Like this, so it's wider here at the beginning, but as you go up, it's narrower, so it looks like a Christmas tree. Let's finish it with this star-shaped carrot. So pretty. Back to the omelette I made at the beginning. Remove the paper towel. Make some slices. put them face up. Cut them diagonally. Like this, and flip one piece over to make heart-shaped omelette. The rice has been soaked in the water more than half an hour, so let's start cooking. Just turn the heat on and bring it to boil. Now it's boiling, so let's turn the heat to low, as low as you can go, and set the timer for 12 minutes. Cooked for 12 minutes. Turn the heat off, keep the lid on, and steam at least 10 minutes. Steamed for 10 minutes, so let's fluff the rice. Put the lid back on and cool it down to lukewarm. Now, the rice is cold enough to touch, so let's make it into 4 golf ball size balls. So prepare plastic film. Put some rice. Wrap it with the plastic film and make it into a bowl. Like this. And make 2 slightly bigger than the other 2. So here I have 4 golf ball size rice balls, 2 slightly bigger than the other 2. Okay, I have everything ready, so let's assemble them into lunchbox. Some lettuce at the back of the lunchbox, teriyaki chicken, some lettuce here, rice ball, the bigger one at the bottom, next to each other, and smaller one, here to make it look like a snowman. I'm putting this heart-shaped omelette between the snowmen so it looks like they love each other. Let's put nori and cheese cubes to fill empty space. Cucumber Christmas tree. Using sesame seeds and nori seaweed, let's put face on the snowman. So I'm cutting this nori seaweed using this nori punch that looks like a craft punch. Let's pick up some parts using the back side of the toothpick. Sesame seeds for the mouth. Nose using carrot. Let's make scarf too using this carrot. So make thin slices. And microwave these to soften. and Christmas Bento box is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!